Hey folks, thanks for stopping by. This week I'm going to turn a mini pizza cutter from the Cholla Cactus plank we made last week. Stick around, we'll get started. So I've got the blank mounted in pin jaws on my chuck, and I've got it so it's running straight. I put a center mark on the end of it here and used a cone center in the tailstock to align it. So first thing I'm going to do is drill it out. This pizza kit came with actually an insert, but I'm not going to use it because I really don't have a lot of meat and I'm afraid of splitting the blank if I try to force in a threaded insert. So I'll probably just epoxy it in. So on my Jacobs chuck, I have a drill bit that matches the diameter of this screw, and I've marked the depth that it needs to go. So let me go ahead and drill it out, and then we'll get back to turning. All right, that's a good fit. It's a little tight. This has some flats on it, so I'll put some epoxy on it and just glue it in, and that should take care of it. Let me switch to a 60-degree cone center on the tailstock, and I'll get turning the handle itself. Okay. Let me grab a carbide cutter and see if I can't take it down the round. That is not bad. Let me, I'll go ahead and part it off, and then I'll take it over the drill press and clean up this end, sand it up, and then we'll go over to the bench and put it together. Well, I was all ready to epoxy in the handle, but when I started to put the head into the handle, it actually went in pretty tight. So I'm going to leave it for now. If it starts getting loose, then I'll go ahead and epoxy it in. But it was a nice fit. I wasn't afraid of. It wasn't so tight that I was afraid of exploding the handle, but it was a good snug fit. So I'm going to leave it. You'll notice it's a little bit more shiny than when I had it over on the lathe. I went ahead and set up my Beal buffing system and buffed it out because it is stabilized Cholla Cactus and resin, so there's no reason you can't go ahead and buff it like you would any other acrylic or acrylester or urethane blank. So that is basically it. Thanks for sticking with me. Let me know what you think. This is I've been experimenting with this casting stuff, so if it's interesting, let me know. If it's not, or somebody does it a whole lot better and I'm just a pale imitation, let me know too, because I'm just playing. So yeah, hopefully I'll see you next week. Take care.